Okay, guys, if you're struggling to show customers why your product is actually better than everything else out there, this section is going to change everything. Most stores just list features and hope for the best. Well, this section lets you prove it, side by side. Today, we're adding this comparison table section to your store, and honestly, it's one of the most powerful trust-building sections in all of SectionKit. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for SectionKit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Comparison Table number 8. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Compare Table, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here gives us 3 different layouts. I'll go with the first one. After that comes the main heading. Let's replace this with App Link in Description, and let's change the font style to Poppins. Even though honestly the default looked pretty good too, I'll just show you how it's done. Along with that, you get the color, font weight, and margin settings too. After that comes the description text. Let's replace this with subscribe, and let's change that font style to Poppins as well. Now for the actual comparison content. First, I'll add my own brand or product logo here. I'll use my second app, Custom Cursor, as an example. Let's also add the name above it. Brand 1 also has SVG icon settings, and you can change their color too. Then comes Brand 2, where you can either add a name as text or upload a logo, whichever you prefer, since most people don't directly target a specific competitor by name when doing comparisons. After that comes the description typography settings, which already look perfect as they are. Then there's section colors, border thickness, and lastly padding, margin, and width, which is already set to max, so I won't be touching any of those. Now let's close this and click on any SK feature row, and its settings open up on the left side. First is the main heading for that row. I'll replace this with Premium Cursors and adjust the description accordingly too. There's also an option to add a logo here for that specific row, but I don't think that's necessary for this one. I'll go ahead and edit all the rows one by one the same way. And after all that effort, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.